The 2021 North Bund Forum on International Shipping is held from Wednesday to Friday in Shanghai. It's themed, Openness and Inclusiveness, Innovation and Reform, and Win-Win Cooperation, Embracing Future Development and Restructuring of International Shipping.
It's true, the pandemic has been tough on the shipping industry, it's been tough on many businesses around the world. I think what we have learned from the pandemic is that diseases, pandemic, viruses, they know no borders, they cross borders. So the only way we can solve them is to work together, to reach international agreement, international understanding in terms of how to develop the business. I have great hope for the business in itself. I also have big hope for a more sustainable and a more greener business. And I think with this North Bund Forum, I think we are on the right path, and I think the main issues are being put on the table so we can discuss them in a global forum and an international setup as this North Bund Forum.
The strain on the global supply chain has been of such magnitude that it's really difficult to solve that overnight. Digitization is obviously part of that solution, and international cooperation. None of us can solve this on its own. And that's why events like this one here, the North Bund event, are so important. All the high-level people of the shipping industry, of the logistics industry, terminal operators, etc., can meet, exchange ideas, because again, the only way that we are going to solve this crisis is by working together.